Okay, a quick little trick for today. So let's go over like one of my favorite entry slash volume indicator, and plus I have one like a little dirty little trick for you, which will definitely help you in your trading. Uh, Before I start, just a quick disclaimer: this is not investment advice. Do your own testing. This is just me sharing what I do, some of the results of my testing. Hopefully, it will help other members of the community. So let's begin. So quick points. Okay, fuck. Oh wait, yeah, I have it set. Yeah. So the first one is like the Wada Atar explosion. It works so differently on Renko charts. Like we will go over it in like few seconds. It can be used like when I began testing, I was using it as an entry in my algo, and then I started using it at volume. But I think it can be used as both. Like depends on your algorithm, and I have one additional indicator to keep you out of choppy markets. This indicator has helped me not just in my Renko trading, but also on my normal candlestick chart. It doesn't work as well on the candlestick charts, but it works pretty well on Renko. So let's go over the first one, the Wada Atar explosion on mt4. Okay, so mt4 is open. Yeah, okay. So I have the standard Wada Atar explosion open on mt4 chart. This is the Euro USD. I think I think you guys will be able to see it like this. Okay, so the way this indicator works is every time this green bar passes over this line, the brown line, that's like an entry signal. And the same for opposite. Every time the red is like for sell and green is for buy. Every time it explodes above the brown line, it is like an entry signal. What I liked about this indicator is it is really good in keeping you in trends. So for example, see it just, so once it explodes, let's say you take like a buy order here. Okay, hold on. Okay, so yes, let's say we take like a, okay, so let's start from left side of the chart. Okay, yeah, see. So okay, here the first time it exploded, so you just, let's say you place a buy order here, that's a win. It got below again, that's a win. Two, yeah, it's still above, and now you just have to figure out your exit. But so when you're using this as like an entry indicator, every time it explodes, you just explodes above the line, that's like an entry signal. So this is giving like a sell signal here, so sell, this is a buy. Now it is really good in keeping you in trends, as it like kind of forms like these mountains. So as long as the next bar is larger than the previous bar, you're still in trend like that. That trade is still good. You should stay in that trade. So let's go over here. Yeah, so you can see it just keeps forming these like mountains as long as the trend is on, and then market gets choppy, it goes below the brown line. Yeah, so yeah, I mean it's pretty good. See, I haven't had like a lot of losses in my testing, at least from here. There is an issue when the market gets like choppy for too long, so you'll get like a bunch of false signals, but your baseline and other things will be able to eliminate those losses. So this is a win. This is a win. Again, it went below, so let's say we exited here. This is a win. Again, a win. Win. Yeah, win. Oh yeah, and by the way, this little, the red line and the blue line you see, it is basically like take profit and a 1.5 ATR stop loss and one take profit. I don't really use take profit in my Renko trading, but it is a pretty good. It is a nice little tool to just to make videos, and when you're back testing, especially, just so you know where you're placing the trades. Okay, so the green one, So wane, again a buy signal, wane. Yeah, so and I avoid taking trades when it is like so close to the brown line, when the explosion is so close to the brown line, even if the number says it's above the brown line. So I just don't take those trades. But yeah, like something like this, it's pretty good. Okay, so that explains when we are using the Vadatar as a entry indicator, but it can be used as volume as well. You can have like some other good confirmation indicator, and as long as the red line is above the, or the green line is above, like the bar are above these lines, you're good to go, like you're still in trend. So yeah, it is a really good indicator which will keep you in trends. And then if you're using it as a volume indicator, it also works quite well with on Renko charts. So yeah, and then the second thing I wanted to share, this is really cool. So let's get rid of this, is the one additional indicator to keep you out of choppy markets, the dirty. Okay, yeah, the little trick I wanted to share with you guys. Let me just move it here so it looks better like this. So okay, so that is, so what you do is go to your mt4. Let me just move it over here. Yeah, really sorry about the moving screen. I know it must like give you a headache, but that's the only way I know how to do it. Okay, so you just go to mt4 trend, open your ADX, so that's your average directional movement, and parameters are the same like default settings. Color levels, yeah, just change the colors to none, like plus DI, minus DI, we don't need that. Go to levels and put a level 20 on it and make it like white. So that's your indicator. So what this does, it is really good at keeping you out of choppy markets. As in, so for example, okay, first thing, like the credit where credit is due. I think I learned this trick from Drew's algorithm video, so this is definitely not what I discovered for myself, but yeah, he was using it in like candlestick chart, but I tested it on Renko, and it didn't actually work that well in candlestick, but it works much better on Renko chart. So let's just scroll over a bit. Okay, so how we use it is like, as long as the ADX is above level 20, you can enter that trade. That means the market has enough volume to enter that trade. See, like these areas you don't enter. Let's go over to like where it's easier to say, okay, yeah. So this one, see, when the market gets like choppy from here to here, it's telling you just don't enter, like this zone. Again, like this zone, see, the market gets choppy. It's just keeping you out of like choppy markets. Let's go to, oh yeah, here. See, now the market has been choppy for a while, and then it's really keeping you out of like all this. Let me zoom out so it's more clear. Okay, so see, it basically like kept you out of taking any trade from here to here. So basically it avoided all the losses you would have got here. From here to here, like it basically avoided like from the choppy market from here to here, which is like great. So like my C1 gave me like at least 3-4 losses, and just because of this one little thing, I did not have to be in those trades, in those losing trades, just because my ADX was telling me not to. Like the ADX was below 20, so that is like a no trade signal. Again here, see, like every time the market gets choppy, this ADX will go below 20, and then once it goes back up, you can start taking trades again. See, the same thing is here, same thing is happening here. So I actually really, I know it's like one of the dirty dozen tools, but as VP said, some of these tools work differently on Renko, and I think this is one great example. And again, thanks to Drew's algorithm video. That is, credit completely goes to him for this. Yeah, see, again, kept you out of choppy market. Okay. So that's it for today. I hope you like my new thumbnail. I did some research on how to make like good thumbnails which actually get more clicks. Let's see if it works, but you know, whatever. Fuck it, just doing this for fun. So alright, you guys have a good day. Hopefully this was helpful and helped like a lot of people. Alright, see you guys in the next one. And please like, share and comment and let me know if you guys want me to make more videos like this or on any other topic, or just put your questions in the comment section. If you like the video, just write it down. If you don't like it, what I can improve, just write everything down in the comment section. I really appreciate you watching this. Have a good day.